Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X200 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. Now for this you will need to grab a SIM ejector, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it you could use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which you do need to also take off a case, which is located at the bottom of the device. So grabbing the tool, you want to find the little insert area, push the pen in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out. Now on the tray you'll have space for two different SIM cards, one on each side. And it looks like Vivo took a page out of the Samsung's playbook and put a retention bracket on the bottom tray but not on the top tray. So anything that is placed on the top just falls out, while trays at the bottom do not, or cards at the bottom do not. You can see this one holds. Anyway, once you clip your card into the tray, you can then pop it back into your device. And you can see that it automatically starts working, prompting me to confirm my SIM card pin to unlock it. So let's do that, and that's it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.